Hey guys, this is Sunkuru. I welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more notification. So, today's world is on fashion. So everyone just want to wear fashionable clothes and to be in just a fashion because today's generation love fashion and gives a good reputation in the society. So let's design a dress for you so that your fashion level will be gone upgrade up. So there is a twist in this video which I will tell you in the end, okay? In the middle, or maybe you have to wait for the twist to get it this drawing perfectly. So follow the steps as drawn by me and watch it till the last so that you will also get it perfectly.
Breakdown. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide.
So here our twist number 1 is coming. Use an art liner pen to give your drawing and dark shade or a border which will give it a more attractive look. Use art line because in art line you can draw and you can paint or whatever you may do that will give a very good look. So do it with me.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. Will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
I hope you guys would have stayed with me. So here we go, our second twist has came. So whenever to give a person a natural look, so use a skin color first, then use dark brown color pencil so that it will give a natural look, because skin color will give a skin to your body but doesn't give a natural look. So to make your hands, face and legs look like natural, use dark brown pencil, which will give a natural and a cool look. And don't forget to blend it properly, because blending also make it look more naturally. Then only it will just look perfect and a natural hand, head and a leg, which is very important if you draw or a paint and dress design, which is most important twist. Okay, so watch it till the last to get more exciting twists and perfect color shades.
Until you break down. All the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's gone in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. Will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said.
I hope you all have did it with me. See, this looks cool now. So let's give our dress another 3D look, which will give it more perfect. So use dark black pencil, okay, which will give it as a original frog and a 3D look, and blend that black color perfectly. When you will blend that perfectly, then it will look just amazing with a 3D look. So see, how is it? So thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.